Now we're going to dance to Cheerleader by OMI. I love this song. It's got a nice bouncy rhythm, and it's got this nostalgic island feel to it, and it makes it really fun to dance to. And the tempo's a little bit slower, so you can spend more time giving it some style. So the moves we're going to start with: quiet sections. We're going to do shoulder rolls as usual, but there's many of these slow dance moves you can do when the music's kind of like in a lull. So feel free to switch to any of those. It's definitely covered in my EDM dance programs. Next, the song's gonna go right into the chorus, and we're gonna do farmer. So we're gonna start off with farmer doubles. Looks like this. Farmer's covered in my programs. It's one of the trickier moves to learn for beginners because it moves in a very different way. So it's super important to do slow practices to farmer. Now, song's gonna switch up back in a slow section, and then it's gonna go into a verse, and we're just gonna do a box step combo like this, and doubles. Also covered in my programs. So box step, and then double step. So it's almost like a double step hesitation, which is from my club dance series. From there, we're gonna go right into the farmer combo like this. Single, single, double up, and creating lots of movement as we go side to side. So that's the farmer combo. We're gonna hit another quiet section, and this time we're gonna just switch it up by doing wing. And wing, you can switch it between wing and doing shoulder rolls. It doesn't matter. Just a bunch of fun freestyle combinations to do when the music quiets down. And again, we're gonna finish with farmer. If you want, you can mix in train and just create lots of movement for this fun song. Start off with some shoulder rolls. If you want some variety, you can do hits.
My one solution is my queen, cause she stays strong. Yeah, she's always in my corner right there. When I want her, all these older girls are tempting, but I empty when you're gone, they say,
get ready to do farmer doubles. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
She's always right there when I need her. Oh, I
next move is box steps. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
She walks like a model. She grants my wishes like a genie in a bottle. Yeah, cause I'm the wizard.
And the song's gonna ease up in the shoulder rolls. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulder rolls. Get ready to go right into the farmer combo. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
She's always right there when I need her. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She's always right there when I need her.
Wing is next. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. And switch into shoulder rolls. You can combo and mix them up. Go back into wing.
She gives me love and affection. Baby, the
Get ready to do farmer combo again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.